You probably live somewhere where you can't make a ton of noise. Or maybe you live somewhere where you can make noise, but you have people around that want to kill you when you do. So here's a way to practice drumming without really annoying whoever lives around you. Okay, so I'm talking about air drumming. So the reason why I want to share this is it's a free, portable, and quiet way to actually practice that many of us have probably forgotten about or don't take seriously. And on top of that, it's a lot of fun, it's easy to do, and you can kind of do it anywhere you want. All you need is a pair of headphones or a speaker or whatever, and a little bit of space. You don't even really need sticks. You can just air drum with your hands. You're gonna look like a maniac, but who cares, right? I mean, I personally wouldn't do this on the bus, but if I did do it on the bus here in LA, I wouldn't really be standing out much, so whatever. Not only is it fun, it also kind of helps build muscle. Like if you're playing in the air, you don't have anything to rebound off of, right? This is all in the hand, in the fingers, like in the arm, so you're working muscles. Like I was sore after playing, I think 20 minutes the other day. So definitely it can be a workout. Make sure you pay attention to your body. If you're starting to feel sharp pain or something, stop, take it easy, take a couple days off or something, reassess and see if you can start it up again. When you're air drumming, you can really hear all the parts that are going on in the music because you don't have loud drums that are competing with the sound, coming out of the headphones. And that might be really helpful if you're learning a song. And for me, it's kind of a good exercise in using your imagination. Now, when I was 12 and I first got into drumming, I would play, at that time, Metallica and Iron Maiden were the two that I really liked playing along to. And while I was doing that, a lot of times I would close my eyes and pretend like I was in an arena playing to tens of thousands of people. I don't know about you, but I don't use my imagination as much as I did when I was a kid. I'm pretty sure most adults are like that. And for me, it just makes me feel better. If I can sit down for 10 minutes, play along to something and just rock out without having to worry about bothering the neighbors or my girlfriend or my cat, like I can just rock out, I can be in that situation and have fun, and I'm working my muscles, I'm working my coordination, I'm probably gaining a little more speed in my hands from doing that. So all in all, I think it's a really good thing. Just a couple things, just advice from me. If you didn't know this, if you damage your hearing, it never comes back. It just doesn't. So, have fun when you're listening to music. I would suggest not cranking it all the way. It's your life, your ears, you do what you want, but just letting you know hearing damage is permanent. So watch out for that. And again, I want to reiterate a bunch of times because I have a feeling that people that are going to be watching this are probably my age or older. Watch out for pain, okay? If you start feeling pain, I would suggest stopping for a bit. Again, your life, you do what you want, but that's my suggestion. Let me know in the comments, what do you plan on air drumming along to? Do you like this idea? Do you think it's dumb? Let's have a little conversation, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye.